Sweet, this is your supported single arm lat pull down. So you can use any support. You're probably going to be using an incline bench. It's going to be pretty high so that you can put your arm onto it straight ahead. And you want the cable that you're pulling from on its highest setting. To set up your body, often people will be a little bit too upright and curved through here. We want to tilt away from the cable, and then we want to drop your rib cage away. That's going to lengthen out your lats already, which is what we want to be working. Then you're going to drive your elbow down to your pocket. That's the only cue you're really thinking of. We also want to keep your forearm in line with the cable. Some people, when they think of the cue down, elbow to pocket, they pull their whole hand down and their whole arm. That's just going to be very hard to perform and doesn't even look right. So we want to keep the forearm in line with the cable the whole time. And notice how Joel isn't going past his torso, because if he went further than there, it wouldn't be his lat pulling it back, which is the thing that we want to get. He also doesn't rotate his body too much, because then we're using other things other than the lat. Rib cage back, and then hold yourself there with your support, drive the elbow down to the pocket.